Welcome student. Today I am explaining you chapter 3 metals and non-metal part 5 occurrence of metal in nature. As we know that metals are categorized in three categories. First one is active metals, second one is less active metals, and third one is least active metals. On this basis metals are occur in two forms, in free state or native state, that means elemental state or pure state, like gold, platinum, silver, mercury, like elements occur in free state. Second occurrence is in the form of combined state. In the form of combined state, like sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminum, lead, copper. These elements are reactive elements, so they occur in combined state or compound state. First point is that those metals which remain unaffected by moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide of the air can occur native or free or in the elemental form. Second one, those metals which react with moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide or other chemical reagents are not found in nature in free state, but they are found in combined state. Metals usually occur in combination with non-metallic elements like copper sulfate, copper nitrate, sodium chloride, etc. Next point is the native state occurrence is comparatively rare. That means metals generally not found in pure state or native state or free state. Now we deal minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are the metal bearing substance found in the earth crust or upper layer of the earth are called minerals. In other words, we can also say that the solid compounds of metals occurring in nature are called minerals. For example, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, zinc sulfide, cupric sulfide and iron sulfide are the examples of minerals. Here is some examples of minerals of several metals like sodium. Sodium mineral is known as tinker or borax, that is found in India in Ladakh, Kashmir. Another is magnesium. Its mineral is dolomite, magnesite, etc. and it is found in Tamil Nadu in India. Another one is calcium. Its mineral is gypsum, that is found in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir. And next is aluminium. It is very important metal in our daily use or other purposes, and its important mineral is bauxite. It is found in UP, Maharashtra, MP and Odisha in India. Another one is copper. It is also a very important metal. Its ore is chalcopyrites or copper pyrites. Second one is malachite and it is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, MP. Another one is zinc. Its mineral is zinc blende, or it is found in Rajasthan. Next one is manganese, that is found in the form of pyrolusite mineral. It is found in Maharashtra, Karnataka. And another one is iron. It is very important metal that is found in earth crust like hematite. It is found in Jharkhand and Karnataka in India. So we can see that minerals are very important substance that are occurred in earth crust. And another important point in the metallurgy is ores. What are ores? The minerals from which metals can be obtained. Metals can be obtained on a commercial scale or on a large scale are called ores. In other words, we can say that the metals from which metals can be extracted profitably are called ores. That means we have to pay less cost and less labor and find much more amount of metals like bauxite. Its formula is Al2O3 into 2H2O, and clay Al2O3 into 2SiO2 into 2H2O are ores of aluminium, from which aluminium is extracted. Another point is all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Next point, an ore is rich in the amount of metal and low in the amount of impurities. An ore is rich in the amount of metal and low in the amount of impurities. Now we have to group the different types of ores. First one is oxides. Oxides ore. Copper, aluminium, zinc, tin, iron are found or occurs in the nature in the form of their oxides. Next one is sulfide ores like silver, copper, zinc, mercury, lead, iron, etc. occur as oxide ores. Another one is carbonates like sodium, copper, calcium, magnesium, zinc, lead, iron, etc. occurs as a carbonate ores. Next one is sulfates. Sodium, calcium, magnesium, lead, etc. occur as sulfate ores. Last one is highlights. What are highlights? Highlights are those elements that are occurred in 17th group of periodic table like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, and highlights are found in the form of sodium halides, calcium halides, silver halides, etc. And these elements are occurs as halide ores. Last one is phosphate ores. Phosphate is found mainly as ores of calcium. Calcium occurs as phosphate ores.